और कोई बच्चा लोग है इधर में और कोई है बच्चा लोग अंदर है जो अभी बता दो कुछ नहीं महाराज और महाराज हाय हेलो स्माइल रुक जाओ वो ला रहा है लाठी है
Boys, Shani in the middle here.
और तुम बच्चा सीख गया घर में रेस्टोरेंट भेज and they have only one team. How we can survive little better than today in future. The details they will share scientifically and what type of activities we are doing, which is putting us in trouble in different manner. That she will explain and her team will explain. And I request Madam.
But disposing our waste properly, it will save millions of fishes, dolphins, whales in the seas. If we throw plastic even on the land, maybe some cows or some other animals might chew it. It can harm them very much. Plastic can be recycled in various ways, and we all know that. Just burning them will also lead to air pollution. We all must spread awareness to help our Mother Earth because she loves us the most and has...
Are you not afraid of the consequences of these activities that we practice regularly? Are you not afraid of the climax that is yet to happen? Are we going to stay silent after receiving these warning signals from Mother Earth? Silence is the real crime committed against humanity. If we just stay silent,
see Mother Earth's pain because humanity's selfishness is driving her insane. Soon her cries will turn into gloom and man will cause his own doom. A very good morning to everyone present over here. Today, I, Asmita Day of Kendriya Vidyalaya Happy Valley, stand before you all to present a short speech on the topic, Only One Earth Living Sustainably in Harmony with Nature. As we all know, our Earth is the main planet known for mankind. Therefore, it is our responsibility to save it, to care for it. Thus, June 5th has been set apart as World Environment Day to make the people get mindful about the significance of this planet. Only one Earth living sustainably in harmony with nature.
Process. Beyond that, we have, for that, to fulfill that objective, we go for forensic service, as well as whatever collections that we make, we have to catalog them scientifically into different ways of classification that we are following. The collections that we make, we just maintain them in National Zoological collections. We are the repositories of National Zoological collection. We have to maintain the museums. In fact, we will have a brief tour of our museum, what we have in our center for all of you. All of those findings and maintenance, after that we also communicate those scientific findings into publications. That is one of our main objectives.
Water and carrying your own bags for shopping, pesticides and their use in the fields which have affected bees, lots of catastrophes which have occurred over the time, and we have in the recent past seen floods in Shillong, floods elsewhere. A lot of destruction happened in Assam recently. Then about ocean acidification, and these are good terms. The oceans are absorbing carbon dioxide that is being thrown out into the air, and they are being absorbed by the oceans, leading to ocean acidification, which can modify our climate change and
please hand over the second prize to Iban I. Jinkrumen Kurkalang of 7th Set High Secondary School. Thank you, sir. I now request the officer in charge, Madam Jenny, to hand over the first prize to Armita D. of Kerala.
We are really honored by your presence, sir and ma'am. Then I also express my gratitude to Dr. B. Sinha, Scientist D, Zoological Survey of India, for his introductory speech. And also Madam B. Warma for her, I'm really sorry, Dr. Sinha for his welcome address, and Ma'am for her introductory speech. Actually, Ma'am Warma is a very well-known judge for all debate and elocution competitions throughout Shillong, and in the past also she has graced several occasions at our office. So thank you very much, Ma'am. Then I express my heartiest thanks to Dr. K.L. Chaudhary for his delightful concluding remarks. Besides being an experienced teacher, he is also a researcher par excellence. So many of you may not know that he is an author of the book called Flowering Plants of Meghalaya, which has recently been published by Meghalaya Biodiversity Board. So we are really proud of this, sir. Then, of course, the most important ingredient for today's program is our beloved students and their body mentors. Because without you, there is hardly any meaning for this program. So we express our sincere thanks for your participation.